Good evening, friends. Today we will do the Nifty analysis. That let's see how will Nifty react tomorrow or in this whole week. So first of all, you might have seen that I gave the target of 9,200 day before yesterday for Nifty, and today that level has got achieved. Now, first we will see how I have concluded or how I have come to know that the Nifty will fall to this much level or more than this. So what I have done is I have used Elliott wave principle. You might have read this also somewhere else. What is Elliott wave? So Elliott wave is a five wave structure, and what I have done is this I have considered as a wave 1 up to this, then this I have considered as a wave 2, and after that every high I am considering as a part of third wave. So third wave started from here, and this is the first point, A point in third wave. Then this is B point in third wave. This is C point in third wave. This is D point in third wave, and the last point is E point in third wave. So what happened here at this level? The third wave got completed. So this is the first wave. Let's mark it. So this was the first wave from here to here, and the second wave got completed up to here. So this was the second wave, and this is the third wave started from this point A, B, C, D, E. So our third wave got completed here. It means that now fourth wave will start. And the most important thing was that all the Elliott wave, most of the Elliott wave traders, they were short on Friday only. On Friday, they took a small risk and they bought out of the money put options because they were already ready with the data that this was the end of the third wave. Now, fourth wave will start. So, fourth wave is a correction wave. So, first wave is bullish, second wave again corrective wave, third is bullish, fourth wave is corrective wave, and again fifth wave will be bullish one. So this I will remove now, and let's see how I have come to the conclusion that the Nifty will go to the 9,200 or 9,000 level using Elliott wave analysis. So generally Fibonacci retracement and Elliott wave are closely related. They are used for the prediction of the price. And as per the Elliott wave, fourth wave correction can be 38.2% retracement of the complete third wave. So let's mark the third wave using Fibonacci, and you can see here that already the target has been achieved 3,000, 9,200. So 38.2% retracement. But it is not necessary it will achieve this much only. It may further go down. And if you see here, the further 50% retracement comes around 9,000. Okay, this I will remove. So 9,000 level, why 9,000 level is important? If I mark the 9,000 level here, level will mark. So this is that level. So now why this level is important is that it was previously resistance area. So this was the resistance area, and it was previously not only resistance area here at this point, but it was also a support area here. So that's why the 9,000 level is also very important for the Nifty. Now, at present level, 9,200 is very important level because as per Elliott wave, the 38.2% retracement of wave 3 has already been done. And if I mark horizontal line here, then you can see that this is also a good support area. Like from here, the Nifty has gone up, and this was a small resistance here. So 9,200 is also important level. Now, what if it breaks 9,200 also? So if it breaks 9,200 level, then the next target will be 9,000. And 9,000 is also very important area of support as per open interest analysis. We will see that later. But let's understand what pattern the Nifty has formed. So this pattern wherein it gaps up, any stock gaps up and next day it gaps down. This pattern is called island reversal pattern. So the name of the pattern is island reversal pattern. So Nifty has already formed island reversal pattern. And this is trade reversal pattern. Means the trend has been reversed. Presently there was an uptrend. Now the downtrend has started. And that's why we may see further correction also. Because as compared to this uptrend, this downtrend is very small. But what you will remember is that 9,200 should be breached. Then the next target comes 9,000. Now let's go to the open interest analysis and let's see why 9,000 is very, very important level. So I will show you here. Now if you see here, this is actually Nifty weekly expiry I have taken. Now I am not using monthly expiry because I want to predict the move for tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So for that purpose, we will use weekly expiry. Now weekly expiry, what is happening today? This is the change in open interest. The green bar shows call OI and the red bar shows put OI. Now you might have observed here that see there is a huge call writing going on at every level. 9,500, 9,400, 9,300. So call writing was there. So call writers are bearish on a particular script or a stock. So call writing has been done up to 9,300 level, and at 9,200 also there was an increase in call OI. Means here also something is going on. But if you look at the overall open interest, this is the change in open interest. So today there was a call writing. There was an increase in call OI. And if you see here, the 9,500 has the highest call writing since yesterday. 9,400 also call writing is more, and 9,300 also call writing is more. So because the Nifty is bearish, we cannot say it is a long build-up. So it is call writing, or you can say the short covering also. Now at 9,200 level, the put OA is more. So we cannot say it is a put writing for sure, because it can be a long put also. Means people are bearish on this level and they have bought the put. But Here also we cannot definitely say it is a put writing, but at 9,000 level, the highest put level it is. So we can definitely say that there will be a put writing here being the highest over. So that's why 9,000 will act as a great support for the Nifty if it reaches 9,200. So you will have to keep watch on every level. So 9,000 level doesn't mean you should wait for 9,000 for the reversal. The reversal may happen from anywhere. So reversal may happen from 9,020 or sometimes reversal may happen from 9,050 as well. But there is no fixed number as such. And at 9,100 level also you have to be very careful. The good news is that the Dow Jones is in green as of now. Now the time is 9:44 p.m. and the Dow Jones index is in green. But I don't think so. Nifty will follow or not Dow Jones because yesterday there was no fall in Dow Jones, but today we have seen there was a fall in Nifty. So better is to go with the data, and if you want to take any positional trade, you have to go with the hedging. Don't buy any net put or net calls because nowadays the Nifty is very volatile and you will end up in losing your most of the capital. So try your hedging strategies and keep some stop loss. So hope you have understood the Nifty analysis that if it breaks 9,200, the next target may be 9,000. I am using maybe because nothing is sure in the stock market and the stock market is mostly news driven. So even if the government announces any stimulus package, then also you have to be very careful. So when you are taking any position, you have to be very careful. You have to put your stop loss in the system itself. All the best. Kindly subscribe to our channel by pressing subscribe button. And if you like the video, please press or hit the like button. Thank you.